Hi, I'm Andy Bremed, Head of Volunteering here at Diabetes UK. I wanted to introduce you to Assemble, our new Diabetes UK volunteering system which is coming soon. Assemble puts you in control of your volunteering with us, allowing you to keep a record of all your volunteering activity, read the latest Diabetes UK news and volunteer updates, and see what's happening near you as well. You can manage your own profile and information easily, and access a wide range of training and learning opportunities too. There's even a mobile app for you to keep up to date with your volunteering while you're on the go. Assemble will become available from March, starting with volunteers in the southwest of England and in Northern Ireland, and it should be available to everybody by the summer. Assemble represents a big investment in you, our volunteers, and we can't wait to bring this to life. We'll be in touch with you before Assemble is available to you, with all the information and guidance you need to get started. But if you have any questions in the meantime, please email us on volunteering@diabetes.org.uk. Thank you.